Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rina Hong. In today's video, I'll be unboxing this. So here it is, Mediheal X BTS Sheet Mask. So there are actually like 4 types of these masks. This one is the moisturizing one. There are also hydrating, brightening, and then soothing care set. Before opening it, let's take a look at the box first. So you can see like Mediheal X BTS here, and then their handsome faces, of course. It's just a normal box, I guess. So here you can see the word Mediheal and then some Koreans here. So behind there are also, infos of the mask, like the skin type, skin effect, and then volume, and then the ingredients of the sheet mask. Let's open it. Oh my god, so excited. Oh, I can already see it. Wait, I do not want to ruin the box. Oh god. Ah no! Whoa, so there is so many masks. Wait, let me let that out first. So there are 2 types of masks inside. Each you got 5 for each. One is D3 and one is D and A. Wait, is this real? Oh my god, wait, I can see. Wow, can you see that? I can see like the Army's logo pressed to the packaging. Like, oh, there's nothing behind, but whoa. Oh, this one have it as well. How to use it, I guess. It's all in Korean, like, look at that. This one have the same information, I guess, but with different layouts. We also got this card, Mediheal bestseller. So it also like contains like the English under the Korean. Like, oh, you're so handsome, help. Oh, it's like their favorite mask is this one. And then Namjoon's oppa is like this one. And etc. Yeah, look, how can they be so handsome? Wow. Okay, now time for the main part. Dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun. Time to open this box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So it's like some kind of later, not for sale. Oh my god, it's so hard. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, I don't wait. Have to proceed carefully. I don't want to ruin this. 안돼. Oh, okay. Safe. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, wait, my heart is not ready for this. Here we go. Oh my god, it's a lot. Oh my god, wait, it's Namjoon. Oh my god. Okay, it's empty, I guess. Oh my god, it's like so thick. Oh, so behind there's this Mediheal X BTS. Wait. Okay, let's do this. So first it's Namjoon. Oh my god, he's so handsome. Wow, so 2 of the cards for each. Wow, you are so generous, Mediheal. Oh my god, Minyoung Oppa. Look, his skin is glowing. Oh my god. Oh, how can someone be so cute? And then Taehyung, Kim Taehyung oppa. Whoa, look, he's so handsome. Look at that. He's like truly a CJV. Yeah, how can someone be so good in white? Oh, is it Jungkook? Jungkook ah! Yeah, his forehead. Ah. Oh my god, stop it, don't attack me like this. Oh, 우리 worldwide handsome 찐! 내 이름은 찐. Oh my god, he's so handsome. Yeah, how can someone be so perfect? Wow, Hosaka. Hosaka 오빠, wow. I really like his side profile. It looks so perfect. Yeah, why did you sit like that? It's illegal. Okay, the last Jimin, I guess. Jiminy. Whoa, look at that jawline. Oh my god. Whoa, oh my gosh. You know what, I really want to review this, but you know, it's just such a shame to use them. Oh my god, but I will use them eventually. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me reviewing this mask. And if you are following me, maybe you already know that I went to Thailand and there are, you know, this huge discount on sheet masks, and I bought like this much. So these are like from Misha and then Neil, and the last one is from Skin Dim. Oh, these are just so many. I don't know which one should I use first, this or this, and actually I still have more sheet masks. So if you want me to review them, just like leave a comment down below, like which one would you like to see first. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. See you on my next video. Bye!